Hello, it's your boy Rahim here. Today is just a quick update to look at what the builders have done. I think we've done all the studs and electrics is nearly complete as well. So I just want to talk you through to see what we've done since the last time we've been. Come on in. So basically we've done all this damn course anyways. I've already talked you through that. So what we've done, we've hired the acros. These acros are what we're going to use to do the RSJ to allow the extension to happen. I will talk you through that anyways. So what we've done, and if you come in here, I have ordered all the materials that are required. I've ordered the brickworks, I've ordered the concrete bricks, cement, and all the PVA, SPR, the mortar that's needed for the concrete, and all the wiring. As you can see, the wires have started going up. You can go in down, so all we need to basically is shrink it against the walls. You can see it's gone up there, and all that we've done the stud here. Now you can see we've got the studs, we've got the cables going down, and we've got the frame also. As you can see, we're ready. I also dug the hole. We dug this hole. This is where the toilets, this is where the WC is gonna go. So this has been dug. Cable pipe has been buried, so we just now wait to actually put the WC in there. And again, this will be a lovely bathroom, as you can see, really good size, and it gets you to do what you want to do, right? So what we did was basically we literally dig the earth to bury the soil pipe so that this will be connected there. You can see the end there, it's been connected now already. So we dug it from underneath, we buried it. So that will go that way, and the bathroom, the other first room there, that soil pipe will connect to that, so it will connect to this. So you can see we've dug the ground. You can see the earth here, right? You can see the earth. Don't get worried, I know it's a bit nervous right now to see this. We've dug it, so what we're gonna do basically, we're gonna put some of it inside back again, concrete over it to ensure these pipes are literally dug in really nice and everything is leveled nicely. As you can see here, the cables have gone down. All we need is to shrink them on the wall, basically ready for to be plastered. And you can see that there. You can see the actual gutter we've actually dug for the soil pipe. So as you can see here, we're nearly finished doing the first fix and the underground works in here. So you see, so what we did was we literally traced the pipe. We wanted to know where the main sewer was because it's connected from the front, right? So we were able to dig and got it connected here, and what we did, we buried it underneath the earth, went through there, and then it goes through to the next room. As you can see, we're gonna have a shower here. We're going to have a shower here, so that would be removed. We would have We would have this lentil here. This lentil here would be going across here. It will go across there, and then we will take this wall down, and then we'll extend it slightly to have that as a shower room. As you can see, we've ordered all the materials. All the materials are here now, ready to go. Right? This is the RSJs. As I told you, we've borrowed the acros, so these are the acros, so they've already started supporting that ceiling. So for when we take this down, we've got that support, so we can put the RSJ on top of that to have that as a supporting beam, basically. So you can see everything is here, cables have gone down, everything is getting ready slowly. It's coming along. I know it's a bit nerve-wracking, very nerve-wracking if you don't know what you're doing. You're thinking, wow, this is absolutely crazy. But I'm super excited, and I cannot just wait to see this program or to see this project completed. And as I said, I will take you through the whole lot, okay? So that's what we've done here. As I said, all this would be going down anyways. All this would be going down. So what we did, because we're going to get rid of this wall, we've taken out the whole shower. We've ripped everything out, basically. Everything is gone. So what's gonna happen is basically they're gonna take this wall down, and then this then will become an open plan, right? All this will become one single kitchen dining area, okay? So I'm gonna take you upstairs now. Let's see what we've done up here. As you can see here again, all the stud works have been done. We've done the frames, the stud works are up, right nice and tidy, and you can see the frame here on the shower as well is gone. The cables have been dropped, and the radiator's been taken because we don't need it there. And again, this is where we're going to have the shower, and this is ready to go. Basically, all the studs have been done. All the studs have absolutely been done in this room, so we're just waiting for the plasterboard to go on next week. And these are the cables. This is where the shower is gonna go. Right, this is where the shower is gonna go. We'll have the WC here, right? We'll have the WC here, and then the sink would go somewhere here. As you can see, it's a fairly good, reasonable size. Right, as you can see here again, all the studs have gone in, the frames have gone in, ready to go, and we've got the frame for the shower as well. That is ready to go. It's all been nicked down really nicely, and again we have exactly the same thing here. All these seawall soil pipes, all that will be connected to the toilets downstairs. Cables are down. You can see the electrician has done that. That's where the shower is gonna go, the cabling, all that. The stud wall is done. We've got the frame up, right? And again, this wall, if you remember, there was a wall here. We've built the frame now. It's ready to go. And again, you can see that's what we did here. We went through that way. That's gonna be the door, right? Again, we extended it slightly because we want to have something like a wardrobe here to actually get it going. So again, you can see you can go in there. We extended that. So should you need to keep any of your utilities or anything they want to keep in this office room, they can keep it in there. And again, it's a very good sized room. It's an absolutely good sized room. So what we're going to do next, obviously we're going to finish the electrical installation. Some of these cables need to be sunk in the walls. Well, once we have the stud walls here, we'll sink that in the walls, and then we'll get the plasterboard up, right, to re-plaster. So we have the plasterboard up, so it will be ready to be skimmed, and we would have the first fix finished probably by midweek, to ensure all the first weeks on the plumbing stuff has been done. All the pipe that have been connected has been buried down to ensure that it's all watertight, and then we would then start the rendering, skimming, and then by then we would have done the plan. We would have done the RSJs as well. Again, I will take you through the whole project so you understand exactly what it is. So I just wanted to give you an update really for you to know where we are. As you can see, we are getting there. We are getting absolutely there. You may be thinking, wow, we haven't gone anywhere, but like, trust me, it has been a massive change here. As you can see, all the studs are done. I'm hanging in one of them now. As you can see, it looks really cool and strong. Look at that, it's very strong. So yeah, so fantastic. I'm really excited. I'm happy about this project. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to me, because this is very close to where I live. I get the pleasure to come and check what's happening now and then. So I'm super excited. I'm really excited to share the next video. And again, if you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. And again, I have my estate agency. If you ever want us to rent your property, manage it for you, or I actually sell it for you as well, we're happy to do so. So again, I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.